Hey everybody, it's Tiffany and Arlen, and we're looking at one of our neighbors' community garden plots here, and they have a lot of dill growing. One thing we've noticed though is they have these caterpillars. And Tiffany, what in the world are these guys?
So these are swallowtail caterpillars, which are become a type of butterfly, and they are usually the eggs get laid on dill, also parsley, and basically they emerge from their eggs, and then they immediately start munching and eating whatever plant they're on. Now, a lot of gardeners might be like, ooh, pests, what should we do about it? But you actually want to keep them because they're beneficial caterpillars that turn into butterflies that are pollinators. So they're actually very good to have around. Now, if you don't want them eating all of your parsley or your dill, you can relocate them away from your plants, but please don't kill them because they're actually very good for gardeners in general.
Yeah, now how would we recognize one of these caterpillars if we saw them? What are their sort of distinctive traits?
Well, they have these black stripes that have alternating green and then these yellow dots around them.
Yeah, okay. And just so people can see, here's my finger. You can see the size. Well, so they're not terribly long. There's a few of them on this plant that are a little bit longer than this.
I mean, they're going to grow up until the point where they go into their cocoon.
Fair enough.
Change into a butterfly.
Okay. Yeah, okay, all right, learning about caterpillars. So that's just kind of a dill tip we've learned. All right, well listen, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel where we post more videos like this about growing your own food. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.